TapBoost is an inline pump designed to boost the flow of water to a single outlet between 7 and 11 litres per minute. So let's see what's inside the box. Your installation guide has all the information you need to know about the product. Have a good read through this before fitting the TapBoost. You get a 15mm inlet compression nut, a 15mm inlet compression olive, and your filter, which should be fit to the inlet supply to the pump. You have your TapBoost unit with power cable attached, and then your power supply unit with 3 meter cable, moulded plug and 3 amp fuse.